How to download view-only files from your Google Drive. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be explaining you how you can easily download your Google Drive files which are in the view-only mode easily on your device. So first thing first, let's say, as you can see here, this image, let's say this is in a view-only mode. So if it's in view-only mode, how do I download it? First thing first, simply head over to any of your web extension. Just type in web extension for Edge. If you're using Edge, if you're using Chrome, doesn't really matter because it works on both. So let me just type in Chrome extension from here like this, and as you can see, there's a Chrome web store, and once I click on it, wait for some time for it to load. And what you need to do is simply search in document. So once you successfully download this extension, what you need to do is you need to pin it on your tab like this over here, like I did. And once you do that, I want you to come over to the picture that is or any file which is on the view only mode. And once you come over here, I want you to click on this extension which we just downloaded. It will give you two options, several options. That is, it will ask you to either download it as an in PDF file or in a PNG images. So select your choices, and just like that, hit the download button and it will be downloaded, and it will ask you to say save the name file. And that's exactly how you can easily download the files which are on only read-only mode in your Google Drive. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.